How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. And introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm. Thanks for giving me the chance to give my introduction. So,
It's
my
my
name is
pleasure.
Kalpana.
Yeah.
I live in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
And as per my qualification, I am MA BEd. I am married and blessed with two daughters. And my hobbies are listening to music, uh, cooking, stitching, and learning English. It's my hobby. So
That's a
it's all
good.
about yes.
So, what would you like to do in your free time?
Yeah, in these days, I would like only learning English because it takes a lots of efforts. So I need to give more time in this in learning to this language. So these
Yeah.
days, in my free time, I am doing practice only.
Yeah.
So I would
So,
like you to introduce yourself.
yes. Thank. So, I introduce myself. My name is Kalpana Gangwar, and I'm from UP. And I have a kid. I am MA BEd, and it's all about me.
Okay, you are also MA BEd.
Yes, yes, I'm also MA BEd.
Yes. So how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning this language for 3 months.
For 3 months you have been learning,
Yes,
but you
yes.
have a
When I
lot.
started make video, then I learned this. Then I started to learn this language.
So what motivated you to learn this language?
I'm always eager to learn this language, and I am MA in English. But
Okay.
yes, but I want to. I love to speak in English, and I want to be a good speaker in English.
Yes.
That's why I
You are
want to learn
passionate
this.
about learning this language and
Yes,
especially
I'm
want
about
to
this.
be a good speaker. So
Yeah.
actually we have studied English as a subject only
Yes. Yes.
school days. As a
Yeah.
subject we have studied, even English teacher used to teach all the English lessons in a Hindi.
Yes.
Is it that?
Yes. Yes.
That's why
I yes, I'm
that's
good in.
why we able to speak.
Uh, yes.
Because
Yes, I
in
am
our
good.
there was no environment of speaking.
Yes,
That
yes. I also know environment of speaking.
yes,
So I decided to start make video, and
yes.
then for practicing and to improve my speaking skills. So then I run a YouTube channel.
You are doing great, and this is the best way to improve yourself. Create a channel and
Yes,
make some video regarding English and upload them. And this
yes.
way you
And
will get the feedback also.
this thing is very helpful for me to learn this language.
Yes, yeah, definitely it is very good way. And
And
time have
yeah,
a conversation with others. So this way you can remove your hesitation also.
yes, yes. I want to get over all these fears, and I want to be confident and to be fluent.
Yes. But you have been learning English for 3 months, but you have improved a lot. You are speaking very well.
Thank
I
you.
have watched your videos.
And
You have improved a lot day by day. That's very
yes, I will try my best, and I'm always trying to speak in English with myself. And when I make video, then I trying then.
yes.
So I am always trying to do better.
Yes, yes. This is the only way to make ourselves fluent in English. Try
Yeah.
to speak. with ourselves. If there is
Yes.
nobody around us to speak with, so we should speak with ourselves. So how old your daughter is? You have a daughter?
No, no, I have a boy, baby boy.
Okay, so how old he is?
He is 10 years old.
10 years old. So
Yeah.
he would be uh, able to speak in English a little.
Yes, I teach him to speak in English, and sometimes he tried to speak in English. Yeah.
So now you are speaking, so he will become more fluent.
Yes, yes. I want to be fluent him.
Yes, because of that, you must be learning English.
Yeah, yeah,
He can become fluent.
yeah.
You
Time.
are doing
Yes,
because of this.
yeah. And a, do you have kid?
Yes, I have two daughters.
Yeah,
Now they are some grown up. So I have some leisure time. So I thought, why shouldn't I improve my English so that we can give the environment of English speaking at home as well. So
yeah.
they can become more fluent. That's why I'm learning.
That's a great thing, and you are trying and you are doing your best to learn this language.
Also keep speaking the whole day with my daughters in English so that
Yeah,
I can improve my English, and as well as they also can become fluent, more fluent.
yeah.
That's
So,
what-
can I ask a question?
Yes, yes, definitely.
What make you happy?
Yes, definitely. There are many things in life which can make us happy, but at
Yeah,
the stage we are standing here. So only the progress of our child makes us happy this time. So
yeah,
whenever my daughters scores good marks and my daughters do something good, so this incident makes me happy. Also,
okay.
there are many things, but at this stage, because we are as a parent,
Yes, yes. When
yes,
our
so
child, our yeah,
as a parent, we have only one goal to make our children better, a good person in life. So whenever they do something good, so it makes me happy. And the same question I'm asking to you that what makes you happy?
okay. Uh, as you say about children, same thing I feel that, and other things is when my family will my family um are happy, then I am happy. And
Yes,
yes, fulfill, when I get to fulfill my hobbies, then I feel happy.
yes, yes. So there are many things, as I mentioned, that makes me us happy. That if I talk about some other reasons that make me happy, so every time traveling makes me happy. Whenever I get time, I want to visit any place, visit
Yeah.
and especially temple. So I want to visit any temple, and when we explore any temple, when we go and take the darshan of God, so this incident makes me very very happy and
Okay.
relaxing. So, and as usual, we are uh, housewife, so when our family uh, feels happy, so I also feel
Yes,
happy.
yes, we feel also happy.
Yeah, definitely.
So, and what make you angry?
Whenever my daughters don't obey me. At that time,
Okay.
I get very angry. Sometimes it happens, although they are quite obedient girls, but sometimes it happens at least they have their own life and they have their own ideas and views. So sometimes it happens that our views get clash, and then it become it this incident makes me angry.
Okay. So,
And whenever apart from this, whenever someone tells me a lie in front of me, although I am familiar with the truth, and he anybody is lying, so it makes me angry and annoyed. Yes,
you can ask.
yes, same question I am asking to you.
Okay. When someone blame me without any fault, if
Yes,
I am not doing anything wrong, and if someone blaming me, then this thing make me angry.
yes, definitely it
Yeah.
happens when someone is blaming us whatever I haven't done. So
Yes, yes.
definitely it will make us angry. Yes.
Can I, my child, disobey my thing, then I feel angry.
Yes, yes, definitely. Oh.
He is very naughty and he does not want to study. So,
This is
yeah,
the problem, and it is his childhood age.
yeah, yeah.
He would have wants he would have wanted to play all the time. He
He
would
always
want to
want to play.
play all the time. He would want to use mobile all the time.
Yes, yes.
Is the common phenomena, and every parent is facing these kind of problems, I think.
Every parents have to face this problem, and
Yes,
at this time, child wants to use phone
yes,
for gaming and all these to watch all these things.
yes.
Yeah. So,
Mobile is the biggest obstacle for their
yeah,
study.
yeah, yeah.
And at this stage, when we should keep them away from mobile, the situation is that the mobile has become essential.
Yes, yes.
Every school notice from the school will
Yeah,
on mobile.
yes,
Every homework will received will be received on mobile. So
yeah,
how can we take them away from mobile? So this
yes,
is a very critical position, that mobile is very harmful for our children, and
yes,
as well as it is useful also. So it is a very critical condition that
yes.
everyone is
Every,
facing.
yeah, every parents have to face this problem. Yeah. So
What do you do in your leisure time?
when I get free, then I'm always trying to learn English at this time.
At these days, you are learning English because
Yes,
at these days
yes.
it
I
is your
always
priority.
practice my speaking.
Yes. But apart from English, what do you like to do earlier?
Yeah, I when I get free, then I listen songs, and best thing is I'm doing.
Yes. And household chores are the regular work.
Yes, yes. I teach some kids at my home, and then I teach them. Yeah,
Okay, that's nice. So For which classes do you take tuitions?
Yeah, at this time, first to sixth.
First to six. Yes,
Yes,
that is a very nice work to give a tuition to the
yes,
children. This
yeah.
way, your own child will be get some lesson and will be taught with them. This is
And I teach him, and I teach all kids with
yes.
yes.
With them, you teach your child with the help of other childs.
Yes, yes,
This is a good way.
yeah.
And by teaching, we can improve our knowledge a lot by
Yes,
teaching.
we get more knowledge when
Yes.
we teach. So,
When we
and this is very helpful for me.
yes, definitely. Teaching is a very good profession. That's why.
Yeah.
Yes.
We never forget anything if we
Yes.
teach.
If we teach, we never shall not forget anything.
Yeah. So
So, how many YouTubers have you had conversations?
I, Mansi ma'am, and you, and मानसी वो हैं इंग्लिश में जिद्दी.
Yes, yes. I have seen your video with her.
Yes, yes.
I have also done with Mansi, Housewife English Corner.
Actually, I forget questions.
Yes,
When uh, when I have a conversation with someone, then I forget questions. So uh, I want to overcome all these fears, and I want to be confident.